2017 Nissan Armada. We are gonna do the spark plugs and the ignition cord. I mean, not the ignition cord, just the spark plugs. This is what it came off. It's kind of okay, but it's time to replace it. So anyway, we started from the bank 2, which is the driver's side, which is the hardest. All these hoses and lines, wires, you have to disconnect, unclip these things in order to be able to get into it. It's not that tricky. No need to take off the intake manifold. We are going to do the cleaning the throttle body, take it off, decarbonize everything, and put it back together. As long as you don't turn the ignition on, then you don't need to reprogram or anything. And also we're going to do the air filter replacement. Look at the air filter; it's already plugged. The customer never changed that. So this is the bank 2. We have to take this vacuum hoses off. Be careful. If it has got a crack, you're gonna replace them. And then after that, we are gonna go to the passenger side. Nothing is on your way. You don't need to take that motor, the solenoid valve motor off. So as you see, the ignitions are down there. Use the 10mm socket, take them off. We usually even don't disconnect them unless it doesn't give us enough room to pull out. And we have 4 here, 4 over there. And also make sure to unclip these wires. Set it aside as much as you can, so it should give you enough room to take that spark plugs out. Every 90,000 miles, it's been recommended by Nissan to replace those spark plugs. Well, and like I said, we're gonna take off the throttle body and clean it up. You don't need to take that, like I said, the solenoid, the VVT solenoid and actuator out. Just leave it there, and you can do the job. I mean, it's gonna give you kind of hard time maybe because it's not enough room, but it's better to leave it on. Then you don't need to deal with that kind of like readjustment, relearning, and all this stuff. And one more thing, this is the part number for the spark plugs. It's recommended by Nissan, and you're gonna need 8 of them, iridium, NGK, and we go from there. Thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.